Are drones actually banned in the US? The answer is complicated. December of 25, the FCC bans all new drones made from companies outside the US. This means DJI, this means HoverAir, this means Potensic, basically every major company. So if there's a new model that's coming out, it's not getting released in the US. At the same time, there's no United States brand that's making consumer drones, or at least not well. If there's a model that was already released in 2025 or before, whether it's on Amazon or their company website, you can still buy and use freely. If you already own a drone, you can keep using that as well. So if you actually need or want a new drone, whether you're a videographer or a photographer, if you're making movies, if you just want to snowboard and get a video of yourself going down the hill, it's going to get a lot harder as the years go on. Right now, it's not a big deal because there's so many quality drones that are still out and still available. But if this goes on for a year, 2 or 3, those drones are going to stop being made, they're going to sell out, and there's not going to be any viable replacements that we can see. We'll see what that looks like if that actually happens. I don't know how long it's going to last, but as long as the FCC has their current model in place, it's very unlikely that we see new generations of drones coming here anytime soon. Learn more about drones and drone usage at PowerfulMechanics.com.